Most people are actually going to tell you that you need to sit down with an accountant, your CPA, or your tax advisor 2 or 3 times a year, at least more than once a year. But I will tell you something that you probably never heard of. You actually need to sit down with your bookkeeper more than once a year. If you just hired somebody who's recording transactions for you left and right and providing a report once a year or once every quarter and nobody's reviewing it, then what point is it to have a bookkeeper? A software can do the same thing for you without having involved a real human being. What you really need to have is somebody who can do these transactions for you on a monthly basis and provide you an exact report on what's going on in your business, what's working, what's not working, what you're supposed to do to improvise your numbers. Finding out this information in an email just so it can go to your CPA to record them in a tax return doesn't really help your situation, does it? If you're able to use the real information, which is money coming in and money going out, and where the money is getting spent more and where it is producing the best result, you might be able to take better decisions with your money. This is exactly what we do. We don't just record transactions left and right. Anybody can do that. It's a commodity. A software can do it. Probably an AI software can do it. What you really need is somebody reviewing your finances, sitting down with you and going over what's going on, what's working, what's not working, and what area you can focus on. This is what we do. Not everybody's a good fit for us. But those who want to grow their business, those who want to increase their revenue, expand their territory, dominate their competition, be ready when the lender asks the information about their finances so they can secure better financing. Or if they are trying to get SBA loan, or if they are trying to get any of this information over to an investor. That's the kind of information you need to know. You understanding those numbers will help you secure financing, whether through a bank or through an investor, if you know about them. But if you're just recording transactions left and right, if you have somebody who's just recording the transactions for you and you're forwarding that information over to your accountant, your CPA, then what good is that going to do for you to run your ongoing business on a day-to-day basis? It's not really giving you any decision-making information. This is what we do. This is what we help small business owners with. If you're interested, give us a call, click the link below. This information will send over somebody in our team who's going to sit down with you, go over the information that you provide us voluntarily, obviously, and wanted to share with us. And that will give us a better understanding of what's really going on. There is no pitch here. We're really just trying to understand what you really need help with, what we can do to do a value add for you so we can secure your business for a long period of time. So click the link below, call, text, email. We have all that information over there. We love to talk to you. We love to help you. We love to help you grow. So I'll see you guys on the other side.